Hi guys, Pickbeard here, and today for you I'm going to pick this 3-star British Standard Euro. It is a Schlosser, hopefully I've pronounced that right, technique. There is the box that it came in. It seems to be anti pretty much everything. There you go, anti-pick, tamper, drill, snap, bump, pick, 35. I'm going to pick it from the side that will be sat in the door, so that is the snap side. Oh, it's a bit bright, isn't it? From the side that you can snap it, so that'll be external. There's the key bitting. There we go. Plenty of ups and downs on there, so it's a very nice one. Let's show you it in working order. Get the key in there. There we go. See the cam moving. Does work nice and smooth. Locked up. Let's chuck these over there. I'm going to try and, well, I'm going to pick it with this piece, only because it's what I'm using a lot of these days. And I'm going to tension it with my thumb on the cam, just for a change, and just because I can, really. Hopefully you'll see the cam moving. We would do normally a tension wrench, and we'll go from there. So let's get the pick in, let's try and have a feel around, and find the pins that are rearing their ugly heads. At the end, hopefully there'll be time at the end of this. I'm going to gut this side that I've picked, because it's a different looking lock to like the others that I've come across. So yeah, and if any of you have got any ideas or any links, or know why this lock is how it is, if you could tag them in, that'd be great. As I haven't, well, as you know, I'm quite lazy with doing my research and everything else, and I'd be quite interested to know why it's made like it is. I believe it's I can't remember why I think it, but I think it's something to do with ASA. Probably because they've bought the vast majority of other companies. But I could be drastically wrong. Let's put a bit more movement on that cam there. Feel through. As usual, I'm trying to pick this round camera, which doesn't make for a decent picking angle. Hats off to all you guys that constantly do that as well, because I feel your pain. Really need to get a decent setup, but I'm not going to go out and buy a big camera and a tripod and everything else. I'm just not going to do that. So I've got loads more movement. Just double check, mate. Not gone quite yet. I think there's only one more pin to go. Get some movement off that one. There we go, and we have it picked. Let's see. There we go. So one look picked open. This is the interesting part. Well, I think it's interesting anyway. Grub screws, all in the bottom. 6 on the front, or for the external side, and 7 on the internal. So, this is where, well, as you know, I'm not very good at gutting stuff, so this could be interesting. I'm going to open them up on this side and see what's in it, basically. So let's take the grub screws out. Hopefully this is going to work. Grub screw, spring. Pliers in here. Tweezers, you fool. So guys, camera ran out of storage. I took the last 2 out that I was struggling with. Just going to take the key pins out now. Feel like a bit of a prune, but hey hey. Are they going to come out? There's one. They're all looking standards, it's just the length that's changed. Oh, a hollow thing in there, so that must be another pin and pin. Oh, that's all very interesting. Where are we? Something's gone a bit awry there. Oh no, oh yeah, something has gone a bit awry there. That's very strange. So I would hazard a guess there's something like that. Oh, obviously gone wrong somewhere, but here is the pins. There we go, slightly better view. As you can see, we've got a pin and pin there, which is quite a nice little pin and pin. We've got a load of spools, one standard, which I want to say goes in there, like that. This is another pin and pin. That looks better. Yeah, that's right. And then all standard key pins and springs, etc, etc. So sorry for cutting the video. Sorry it's all a bit of a mess, but that's your 3-star Schlosser Technique BS Euro. Thanks for watching, guys. Pick bed out.